Alright, welcome back for this second video. Today I'm riding with my good pal Graham, this guy here. And we are currently on the Orange Line, which is a road that goes from Yugawara on the top of Izu Peninsula, and after that we will take the Tsubaki line, we will take us up to the top of the mountains of Hakone, and after that let's see where we go. Beautiful weather today, so we can expect to have great views of Mt Fuji, I hope. And here we are at the top, and a beautiful Mount Fuji. We are currently on road 147, going down to Yamanakako. It's one of the big lakes next to Mount Fuji. You're gonna see it now actually, and a great view of the mountain. Whoa, looks like they had some fire here.